Thinking positively can change our lives in many ways about many things. Positive thinking is an optimistic attitude, is the practice of focusing on the good in any given situation. Coping with personal loss, I have always found myself calm around plants, nature, and my beliefs on God. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing with you how I have organized my house temple in very simple way. I do not keep lot of things in stock as most of the time I end up not needing them. But still, over the period, I have stuff which is most essential in daily puja. In Marathi, we call this place as Devghar. Devghar is most simple and humble part of all the furniture that we have in our house. It is made up of sagwan wood with a brown color on it. It is 20 inches in height and 18 inches in length with 7-inch depth. The look of this place is similar to what we see for the temple, such as cylindrical pillars and these small railings. The larger area is to keep all the murtis that we believe in. This is an extra wooden pad just below the area which is used for keeping diva and sometimes prasad. Below this booth, one small drawer is inbuilt to keep all the things. Devghar is kept on this custom-made drawer which serves the purpose of keeping all puja items in one place. This is less access drawer. Just below Diva board, it has small drawer in which I keep occasionally required goods and some extra stuff. This is Ganga Jal, which is kept in transparent bottles, and extra bottle of til oil is also kept here. Few extra drones along with some small books are also kept in this least access drawer. In between small and larger drawers, we have this platform for performing every puja related activity and to keep one diva and agarbatti. I usually keep such cardboard or a paper so that any oil stains cannot damage the wooden platform. Now coming to the bottom large drawer, I have used 3 small baskets and few small boxes to keep everything neat and organized. At the back, I have kept goods which are not required frequently, such as kunku, halad and some extra cotton vastra, which are only used during some auspicious puja. In this small box, I kept Murti of Mangala Gauri. We do Mangala Gauri Pujan in month of Shravan. In this small basket, I have kept all extra diva and agarbatti stand. In the front, I have kept these round boxes filled with fulvati soaked in tup, called ghee in Hindi. Another box contains all necessary stuff used on the regular basis, such as ashtigandha, kunku, halad, and some akshata, few coins, supari, etc. Just besides these round boxes, I have kept these 2 baskets in which all daily needed essentials are kept, such as agarbatti, dhoop, its dhoop stand, matchboxes, and koiri. I also keep few extra vati pre-made and cotton to make more. Then of course, Kapur box is must for any aarti. I also keep this har thread along with this long needle specifically used to make har. These are some cotton and silk clothes which we use to keep all murtis or during puja ceremony. These two drawers contain all stuff that is needed but not on regular or immediate basis. So, I keep one side stand for such items that cannot be kept in drawer. This is a small box we use to keep used matchsticks, which helps not to get any black stains on the platform or floor. I have used this 3-tier 1-foot fiber stand to keep oil and small cleaning brush. In the first tier, I have kept one Tir oil bottle which we use in the morning and evening to light up diva. These are some copper puja utensils used daily. In the second tier, I keep cotton napkins which are used during puja for murti and cleaning devkar. Coconut is not usually here, but sometimes few items are placed on this rack as per season. In the bottom tier, this small brush or broom is kept to clean the floor around the devkar. Then I have also kept a small bin to collect any waste materials such as old flowers or dhoop remains, etc. This is how I have organized my small, calm and positive space in the house. Soon I am going to decorate this place, so stay tuned for that. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please make sure you hit that like button to keep me motivated to make more videos. And thank you for watching. I wish you all the good luck and positivity in your life. See you soon.